I would like to start by thanking our host, Dr. Yurtsever, and his colleagues for the wonderful occasion they have offered us to assemble in this historic place, in this blessed night of the holy month of Ramadan. It reflects the consensual views of the Muslim world, defends its causes, coordinates its joint actions, and most importantly, it expresses inter alia the true stand of Islam on issues and mirror the true image of Islamic faith characterized by moderation, tolerance, compassion, peace, pluralism, and acknowledging the others. Based on these ideals, Islam has since inception called for interfaith dialogue. The Quran in Surah Al-Imran verse 64 says, "O Prophet of the Book, come to common terms, O people of the book," people of the book, the Jews and the Christians, "O people of the book, come to common terms as between us and you, that we worship none by God." Muslims, Christians and Jews are all the people of book. Islam and Christianity share a common monotheistic vision, a belief in one divine God, in the transience of earthly life, in accountability for our actions, and in the assurance of life to come. In the assurance of life to come. They share noble values such as the respect for knowledge, justice, equality among human beings, compassion towards the poor and the underprivileged. The history of Christianity and Islam has been closely bound up together because they originated from the same Abrahamic tradition and live side by side in the same geographic location.